Pickled cucumbers, also known as pickles, are a traditional dish of many cultures around the world. They have a special appeal to those who love the sour, salty, and crunchy taste of melons. Made from fresh young melons, they are salted in spices to create a rich flavor and long-term preservation. When eaten, the sour taste of melon combined with the saltiness of salt creates an interesting taste experience. That is the charm of pickled cucumbers, the perfect combination of simplicity and deliciousness. Would you believe that foods like pickles have a global market worth $11.6 billion? In today's video, we take a look inside the giant farms and factories that produce millions of pickles every day. First, when we plant cucumber seeds, we want to make sure that each seed is buried in the ground at a moderate depth of 1 to 2 inches. This is extremely important for having healthy, strong plants. Once we have planted the cucumber seeds in the ground, all that needs to be done is to take good care of them so that they can sprout into beautiful seedlings. Regular watering is key here. Cucumber plants are thirsty friends, and they need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week to stay healthy. When the plant reaches a height of about 30–40 centimeters, flowering begins. During this period, millions of bees were introduced because they are excellent pollinators, and their nectar collection helps increase crop yields and produce higher quality products. After the flowers are pollinated, the fruits begin to form and grow. Cucumbers can be harvested 50–70 days after sowing, depending on the variety and growing conditions. The fruits are harvested when they are bright green, evenly sized, and not too large, to ensure the best quality and flavor. The harvest season is approaching, and in the fields, planes appear. Oh, not planes, but modern harvesting equipment allows you to move over plants and harvest faster, more efficiently, and without trampling flowers and ovaries. As each day passes, these workers stay in a horizontal position on the rear wing of the plane for 8 hours and fly about 2 kilometers. You're wondering why they don't use harvesters. Yes, this is what you are thinking of. Amazing machines make harvesting and preserving cucumbers more efficient than ever. Can you imagine? With just one operator, these machines can do the work of an entire team. Not only does it save time and effort, but it also greatly reduces labor costs for large companies. These agricultural heroes are truly saviors in optimizing production processes. Instead of having to hire many workers, companies only need to invest once in these smart machines. Imagine, with one investment, they can use this technology for many years, both effectively and economically. In 2023, global cucumber production will reach about 95 million tons. China continues to dominate the production landscape, contributing the majority of the world's supply with an estimated 56 million tons. The United States, although a significant producer, contributed about 700,819 tons, a figure that was down from previous years. After harvest, cucumbers are transported from the field pickled cucumber processing factory. Cucumbers are fed into the chain to arrange them in the same size to put into future jars of pickled cucumbers. After that, the cucumbers are cleaned and soaked in brine. This is an important step to ensure the cucumbers are clean and free of dirt or pesticide residue before they go through the pickling process. It is known that cucumbers are 95% water. During harvesting and transportation from the field to the production site, the cucumbers lose moisture and become dry. During this process, it will absorb part of the brine, making the cucumbers fresh and removing pesticide residue. The cucumbers will then go through a multi-stage washing process in a bath. They fall into a bath with a special compressor. Water blows air through this bath. From the bath, the cucumbers fall into the empty wash bin, and from there to the final wash, high-quality purified water is used to wash cucumbers. After washing, the cucumbers are sent to the inspection table, where they carefully inspect and remove stems and cucumbers that are irregularly shaped or damaged. Currently, almost all factories use only fresh herbs and natural sugar spices in a unique marinade prepared with reduced vinegar content. Thanks to all this, delicious and quality products are obtained. Next, jars of cucumbers arrive. They will be cleaned and sterilized before the cucumbers are filled in jars. From regular cucumbers to delicious pickles, the prepared sauce is filled into each jar. Cucumbers are soaked in brine for 1 to 4 weeks, depending on each company's preferences. Some studies show that compounds found in cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels. You can comment below if you have ever tasted their pickles or are interested in seeing their entire process. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos.